And she hasn't talked to us much lately, and she's on our group on Facebook. I think she's just taken a break. A lot of us have been taking a break from YouTube. Like, if there was something seriously wrong, she would let us know. Here. Here. I know you're fans. I was just trying to talk to Goliath. A lot of you who are friends with me on Facebook are like some of my best friends. Yes, he needs doggy Valium. And I've got Benadryl and I have Xanax. And I don't take Xanax often unless I have a panic attack. And Xanax is safe for dogs, but I don't want to just give that to him. Cranberry sauce, which I love, and especially now that I have a UTI, which is already getting better just after a few pills of the AZO, AZO. That's already starting to clear it up. I don't know why I get UTIs often. If you